question? Why are we giving any attention to the worst senior gift idea ever?
I hate her, I hate her, I hate her, I hate her, I hate her!
I think it's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, it worked.
So we decided to go with 80's idea, and I think it's going to be a hit. Only there's probably going to be some serious repercussions as far as Rebecca goes.
Okay, so I will be the director and playing the lead. And Mary,
I'll be the nurse, and I'll heal everyone's wounds.
I'm gonna be the dragon.
I'll be the cookie. Mr. Bradley.
What does any of this have to do with the founding of the
Rebecca,
school?
you will be the evil witch. And that leaves part of the princess for Kenny.
Whoa. Whoa. What?
Kenny, I think you would be a great princess.
Excuse to use the bathroom, please.
Yes.
So, as we were leaving Lovebird's Cafe, the man who owned the shop gave us a free mug. We're thinking, oh, this is awesome, a souvenir of our senior time together. It was great until Rebecca and Adrian had to decide who it belonged to. So, tensions built. Anyway, it's miraculous the mug didn't break. We decided to give it to Rebecca. So, Rebecca has the mug, Adrian has her project. Everybody's happy.
Kenny? Are you in here? Kenny? Kenny, I know you're in here. Kenny? Get the hell out of here!
What happened?
That wasn't Kenny.
Well, if he's not in here, then where is he? The last thing Kenny said to me before he left was that he was feeling sleepy from all our running around last night. So let's just say I think I know where we'll find him.
This quality bed, quality mattress right here. This is all you need. Yeah, this is all you need.
Well, that's it. End of a long, hard day's work. And now I'm going home, where it's safe and sound. I tell ya, lately it seems like everywhere I go, he's there. He's popping out of corners. It's freaky. I can't escape him. He keeps on giving these little weird, idle threats.
Mr. O'Donnell.
Yes, Mr. Shelmitsy?
Hey, how about we go get an ice cream together, you know, just for old time's sake. I won't put any of that superfood into it this time. We can go just, you know, the 31 flavors place down there. It's pretty good.
So, we're gonna take my car, huh?
No, that's all right. Well, I'll just go get mine.
Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I gotta call someone. I gotta call someone who's brave, who's strong when I am weak, who is the light amid so much darkness. Darren, dude, you gotta listen to me. It's Shelmitsy. He's taking me out in his car. He's got all these plans. He wants to do something. I think he's gonna hurt me. I need your help. No, I'm not making this up for attention. Come on, you got it. He's crazy, I'm telling you.
O'Donnell, are you alright? Hold on just a second. Yo! Mr. Hoffman, what's up? Hey, open up. You nearly hit Mr. O'Donnell.
I did?
You almost took his poor innocent life. He's getting married in 3 months. What would you say to your own cousin? What would you say to her?
I'd say, why is your husband walking in the middle of the street? Mr. Shelmacy saved my life. I have no words to describe that. The shock. You know, Mr. Shelmacy, I want to thank you for saving my life.
Well, it's no problem, Hugh. It's nothing you wouldn't do for me, right?
Right.
Okay, this meeting has officially come to order. Let's all say the pledge. I, a mere student and friend of Annie Griffin, do honor and pledge...
This sucks!
She never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, feels like it's all coming down. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain.
Are you okay?
Arthur, you were right. I don't want to be an arrogant jerk anymore. I don't want to be hated. I want to have friends. I want to have, people who like me.
It's okay. You could cry on my shoulder for about that long. I'll be your first friend. The first of many.
I realize now things in life can never be predicted. Things aren't always what they seem. The things we care less about often end up being the most important. And the things we worry about like crazy often end up resolving themselves. Sometimes the toughest relationships are the best ones.
Right foot blue.
Sometimes the simplest things bring the most joy.
I saw an angel of that I'm
Sometimes a
sure.
rainy day ends up being sunny.
She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful.